Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming you have your organization email and password ready so sign-in is frictionless. Install the Viva app from the official store and grant necessary permissions for microphone, calendar, and notifications. Once installed, open the app and choose your organization, then enter credentials. Make sure to accept single sign-on if offered to avoid repeated logins. This initial setup links Viva to your calendar and identity, which enables personalization and targeted recommendations immediately after you complete sign-in. You'll now explore the main areas: home for feed items, insights for well-being metrics, and learning for courses. Tap each icon to switch and swipe to reveal details. Once done, set your goals and quiet hours so alerts don't interrupt focus time. Make sure to customize notification preferences to receive only critical updates. Add favorite spaces and follow topics to surface relevant content faster. By organizing these elements, Viva adapts to your workflow and reduces noise while boosting relevant learning and collaboration. Complete setup by confirming calendar sync and testing a meeting joined directly from Viva so links and times are accurate. Once done, verify app permissions for microphone, camera, notifications, and calendar to ensure full functionality. Make sure background app refresh is enabled. If content doesn't appear or sync stalls, sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens, then clear the app cache. If problems persist, reinstall the app. Quick troubleshooting like this resolves most sync and permission issues without losing personalized settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.